时代是出卷人，我们是答卷人，人民是阅卷人。
Industry is the lifeblood of the national economy and the backbone of a great power's rise. From the rise of mega projects to the overseas journey of high-end equipment, every breakthrough in manufacturing bears the great trust of the nation. Yet, should core oversized components be trapped by transportation bottlenecks, all craftsmanship and technology would be reduced to nothing. Aligning with the nation's development direction, Huayun Shuntong bears thousands of tons with its steel frame and traverses mountains and rivers with precise intelligence, breaking through the last mile of value realization and composing a brilliant chapter for China. Technological breakthroughs, upholding the backbone of national engineering. We take diligent practice as our path and technological innovation as our core engine. Deeply engaged in the field of high-end special transport equipment for more than 20 years. We continue to tackle core technologies and push the boundaries of industry performance, using robust technology to solve numerous challenges in super heavy and high-precision transportation. Our pioneering self-developed SPMT combined vehicle automatic calibration technology and synchronous control technology have successfully filled many domestic technological gaps in multi-module coordinated transportation and high-precision positioning control, redefining industry technical standards and safety specifications. Through core component optimization and powertrain iteration, we have raised the load capacity per axle line from 48 tons to 60 tons. We have also domestically pioneered the successful development of the SPMT Modular transporter, greatly enhancing the equipment's load limit. It can readily handle extreme working conditions, such as mountainous terrain, wetlands, and overhead erection, achieving full process precise and controllable transportation in complex scenarios. From the safe transfer of core equipment in energy projects to the precise escort of aerospace equipment, from the delivery of equipment for cross-regional mega projects to customized transportation support for high-end manufacturing projects, Huayun Shuntong's equipment has always galloped on the front line of major national projects. Whether transporting super-large components in energy-based construction or providing full process escort for high-end equipment going global, we carry national heavy equipment with steel fortitude and build a solid transportation defense line with ultimate reliability, becoming an irreplaceable core force in the construction of national key projects. Specialization and excellence, forging an industry benchmark. As a national high-tech enterprise and a national little giant enterprise specializing in sophistication, uniqueness, and novelty, Huayun Shuntong establishes itself through core technologies, boasting more than 30 invention patents and utility model patents, while deeply focusing on the R&D and manufacturing of special transport equipment. We have established in-depth industry university research cooperation mechanisms with top domestic universities and research institutes, building a talent training system driven by the chief expert plus great country artisan, dual engines, ensuring that technological innovation always aligns with industrial demands and remains vibrant. Keeping pace with the dual carbon strategy and the wave of industrial intelligent upgrading, we fully promote the transformation of products toward greening, automation, and integration, forming a complete service system covering wind power, water conservancy, offshore engineering, nuclear power, aerospace, and other diverse fields. With customized solutions and stable and reliable equipment performance, our domestic market share has long remained at the forefront. Our products are exported to more than 40 countries and regions worldwide, earning wide recognition in the international special transport equipment market. Craftsmanship builds the enterprise, fulfilling the commitment to serving the nation through industry. We consolidate the foundation of quality with stringent standards, taking the lead in passing multiple authoritative certifications, including ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, and China Compulsory Certification, CCC. We integrate craftsmanship into every procedure of design, R&D, production, and testing. From component selection to complete machine commissioning, we enforce strict checks at every level to safeguard the reliable quality and operational safety of each piece of equipment. Empowered by technology to improve quality and efficiency, we continue to invest in the construction of intelligent production workshops, optimizing production processes through digital management and intelligent assembly line upgrades, constantly making breakthroughs in core technological research and forging an irreplaceable core competitiveness. We strengthen our foundation with talents, cultivating a professional team with firm conviction, exquisite expertise, and the courage to take on tough challenges, allowing the spirit of excellence to innovate through inheritance and sublimate through perseverance. 2 decades of tempering, 2 decades of unwavering original aspiration. Hebei Huayun Shuntong has always kept pace with the times and aligned with the nation. We salute every resolute stride of this great era, grateful for every perseverance shared through thick and thin, and celebrate every takeoff of Made in China. With firmer steps and more robust strength, we will contribute enduring power to the implementation of major national strategies and industrial upgrading.